what a view. What a...
Joe, make a move one time. One time. Give me that leg work, make a move two times. Two times. The way you move your body just make...
Alright guys, so we are at Uptown Mall. James and I are meeting here to go to where we're gonna get my Osmo Pocket. So today is Osmo Pocket Day. We're gonna get the DJI Osmo Pocket. We're trying to upgrade my vlogging quality. We're taking everything up a notch. Come on, let's go. So yeah, we're waiting for James to come and then we go. It's always really nice, big space. I'm supposed to go somewhere else to get the Osmo Pocket, but I researched that there should be one in the mall we're at. So I'm looking for the store, just check it out, because it might be cheap. So a very sweet, very sweet police guy told me where I'm going to is literally just around the corner. So we are going to check. We're gonna check. Let's check. Hey, this is our place. Okay, now where's Henry's cameras? Here, Henry's cameras is. Hey, Henry's cameras! Henry's cameras. Henry's cameras. Henry's cameras. Alrighty, so we are at Henry's cameras. We're going to check if they have the Osmo Pocket 3 creators. Is that it? The creators combo with a good price. Let's go. Hello. Hi. Do you mind if I record? Well, I'm recording myself. You don't mind. Okay, so I'm looking for, I hope you have an Osmo Pocket 3.
No, we don't have.
No. Oh, everyone is buying it.
Yeah, already saw it.
Che. I'm sad. They ain't got it. So we just have to go to where we intended to go with James. Ooh, famous emos.
Yeah.
So guys, I've been walking around just touristing in the mall. Feels good. So at this point, we're going downstairs to the ground floor because James says he's near. That's what we're doing. We have walked, we have explored. We were disappointed, but we moved. Because what? We're still gonna get it. We are going to find an Osmo Pocket 3 today. Yeah. Okay, so James says he's here. Where he is, I don't know. Well, so now we're walking around looking to see where we'll spot James. If we will spot him first, so I've seen James! Let's go. Wait, we need to request a ride. No, let's do that. That's our best friend over there, Manams. Ah, what's
we're living in. Boys must not go be the death of any.
It looks like. Please come on. Okay. It looks like James and I come alive in the nighttime.
Yeah, we'll have low energy.
No, and during the day we have zero energy. Low vibration. No. Alright, it's here. Such a gentleman. Ouch. There are literally so many malls in this country, like every corner, and they're all so big, huge. Like they just keep getting bigger. We are here at, where are we? Green Hills. We are Green Hills. We go again. Yikers, there's a guy comes to deliver stuff today. Oh my gosh. Julebe. Julebe. Oh, pretty stuff. Buy a wedding ring for myself. I'll marry myself. Finally, we arrived. Osmopocket. Here for our Osmopocket 3. Yay! Yay! My baby. My baby. Let's go, baby. My baby. Money here is so pretty. Yay! Thank you. Thank you.
Go ahead.
So this is my baby. Let's go. I haven't eaten, but I'll try my best. Wow, okay.
Pull the green one.
I should pull the green. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Extension.
Oh, so I can just connect.
No, nagyaya siyang gamitin. Then yung ano niya sa tripod.
Woo! Let's go.
Then the lens. If ever hindi siya gagamitin, sir, pakuha na lang po kasi
This one is easily detachable. So you
Oh, be careful. Okay.
siya matitesting, sir, kasi wala tayong
A warranty.
Yeah, 1 year warranty with DJI.
You. This country siphons my money. Like the last time I was here in October, I bought an iPhone. And now we're here to buy an Osmo Pocket 3. And then we'll probably buy an iPad. Wow. There's something in the food here. It makes you buy stuff. Oh, there are a lot of people here. And James is hungry. Osmo Pocket secured. I'm here to eat. James said he's tried it before. The food is really good. Let's go. Don't cry, don't cry. Food is coming.
Yes. Wait, let me check our budget.
Osmo Pocket has cleared our budget. That's a lot of food. Is this enough for 2 people?
I didn't know it was this big.
Yes, it's huge.
Leg work, make you move 2 times.
Guys, that's really good. Like, really good. Guys, my phone is dying. We're gonna eat. We're done. Bye. Say bye, James. Bye. Guys, so I'm getting ready to board. There was no way I could carry that, so he's finally here.